Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the crown button, this one, and keep holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds, basically until the screen turns off. Keep holding the button. And once the screen turns off, you can release the button, and after a second or two, you should see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, wait until the watch is done rebooting. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.